Oh, no fans on this. It's impossible to fan this Bally song. Fuck off. Nah, not gonna try to be fast. Oh. Sounds weird. We're gonna listen to my Orca clone. This thing sounds even more weird. Listen to this. Pinsless. Really bad screws. The screws suck, so I can't like tighten them all the way. Also really bad screws. I did buy M2.5 screws, but I can't find anything to tighten them with, so kind of pointless. But hey, this thing flips fucking great. Oh. Ooh. Scary. I need to tighten it.